Two anglers fishing the same lake on the same morning. Same rods, same hooks, same water, same species swimming below them both. One came home with an empty cooler, the other landed 23 largemouth before lunch. 23-0. Same spot, same presentation. The difference was not skill. The only difference was one drop of a homemade recipe, a mix that costs less than $3 to make. A formula the tackle industry has tried to bury for decades. Today we are ranking the 8 most effective fishing lures ever made. Every one of them proven by decades of tournament data and hard scientific research. From buzzbaits to deep crankbaits, from soft plastics to jigs, each one tested against 40 years of peer-reviewed chemistry and verified tournament wins. Studies from the University of Wisconsin, Florida, Auburn, Minnesota, Texas A&M. Real research on real fish in real water. Not marketing claims, hard science. But the real shock sits at number 1. It is not sold in any tackle shop, not made by any major brand, no patent, no marketing budget, and it destroyed every commercial lure ever tested against it. This is real science, and this countdown will change what you tie onto your line next weekend. Number 8, the Buzzbait, a lure that creates pure chaos on the water surface. Nothing subtle about it. The rotating blade churns the surface like a fleeing bait fish in panic. The sound signature triggers reaction strikes from ambush predators hiding in the shallows below. Bassmaster data from the last decade shows a 23% strike rate in pre-spawn conditions on largemouth. That is an enormous number for a single lure category. But the Buzzbait has a fatal limitation. It only works in a narrow daily window. Early morning twilight, late evening golden hour, miss the window and you might as well leave it in the tackle box. Number 7, the Chatterbait, also known as a bladed jig, combines 2 sensory triggers into one presentation. The hexagonal blade vibrates violently as you retrieve it. Flash combines with vibration. The lateral line of every nearby fish gets hit with the pressure wave. Both senses fire simultaneously. Z-Man Chatterbaits produced 4 Bassmaster Classic wins between 2016 and 2022. The entire sport evolved around this single lure category in under a decade. But it fails hard in ultra-clear water. The blade flash becomes too obvious. Largemouth see through the deception and refuse to commit. Clear water kills the Chatterbait dead. Number 6, the Zara Spook, walking the dog across American waters since 1939. Outlasted 3 world wars and every fishing fad in between. 87 straight years in continuous production. No other fishing lure on Earth comes close to that legacy. 3 generations of American anglers have walked this exact lure across ponds and lakes. The erratic side-to-side walking cadence mimics a crippled baitfish in its final moments. An injury signal, a death rattle on the surface. Predators fire an adrenaline cascade that overrides caution. But it has a steep learning curve. The proper retrieve requires wrist rolls instead of arm jerks. Most anglers jerk instead of rolling. The walk becomes a drag, the magic disappears. Number 5, the original Rapala floating minnow, a lure born out of pure observation and desperate poverty in a small Finnish village. Lauri Rapala was a poor Finnish fisherman in 1936. He watched injured baitfish in cold lake water for hours. He noticed predator fish always attacked the ones that wobbled from injury. He carved his first lure from pine and cork by lamplight, wrapped it in tinfoil from chocolate bar wrappers, tested it on the lake outside his cabin. It worked instantly. Largemouth, smallmouth, walleye, pike, stripers, trout, muskie. The wounded minnow wobble works on every predator species in North America. The signal is universal across cold and warm water. Over 1 billion Rapala lures sold worldwide. The single most produced fishing lure in human history. An entire multi-billion-dollar industry built on one poor fisherman's observation. Number 4, the deep diving crankbait, the Strike King 6 XD class, designed for deep summer fishing on large American reservoirs. The oversized plastic bill angles the lure downward with mathematical precision. Engineers calculate the dive curve based on fluid dynamics. The bait hits specific depth contours where summer largemouth stage on rock piles and points. 42% of summer Bassmaster Opens have been won on a deep crankbait over the last 8 seasons. Absolute domination of the summer calendar. No other category comes close. A $20 lure consistently winning tournaments worth over $100,000 in prize money. The return on investment is absurd. That is the economics of the deep crankbait. But before we get to the top 3, something important you need to hear. The winner of this entire countdown is not sold in any store, not made by any major brand, costs less than $3 to make it home in your own kitchen. In controlled side-by-side tests, it outperformed every commercial lure on this list. Not by a small margin, by a factor of 10 to 1. 10 fish on the homemade recipe for every single fish on the commercial options. Old-timers along the Mississippi use this exact recipe for generations. They passed it down from father to son to grandson. They never wrote it in any book. They never shared it with any company. That recipe and 9 other forbidden bait formulas are documented inside the Forbidden Baits add-on for the Angler's Vault. Formulas the tackle industry tried to make disappear. The full archive also includes old-timer traps for catching your own bait, 12 American species profiles, the 10 fatal mistakes most anglers make on every trip without realizing it. Click the first link in the description below. Scan the QR code in the top left corner. $14.90 for the complete archive. One-time payment. Yours forever. But stay right here. The next 3 lures include the only commercial bait that comes close to touching the homemade winner. Number 3. The soft jerkbait. The Zoom Fluke. The Yamamoto Senko. A category that changed bass fishing forever. Gary Yamamoto invented the Senko in 1997 in Japan. He impregnated the plastic with real salt crystals, not for taste, for density and chemical signal release. A University of Florida study in 2015 documented the results. Largemouth hold soft plastic 3 times longer than rigid baits before spitting them out. 3 times the hook set window, $4 for a pack of 5. The most popular tournament bait in the history of competitive bass fishing. Professional anglers refuse to leave the dock without them. Number 2. The skirted bass jig. More tournament credibility than any other category in the entire sport. The money lure. 17 Bassmaster Classic Championship wins between 1971 and 2024. More than any other lure category in the 53-year history of the sport. The skirt profile fills the water displacement zone that triggers the adult predator instinct. A trophy lure by design. Small bass ignore it. Giants attack without hesitation. When money is on the line? When the entry fee is $50,000? Professional anglers reach for a jig every single time. The only commercial lure that comes close to our number 1. The Spinnerbait hits every fish sense at once. A multi-sensory weapon. A University of Wisconsin-Madison study in 2011 tested spinnerbait strike response across every water condition. 94% of largemouth responded. The highest universal response rate ever recorded on a commercial lure. 4 simultaneous triggers. Visual flash from blade rotation, vibration on the lateral line, sound slap from the blade edge, profile silhouette from the skirt. Works in every condition, clear or muddy, deep or shallow, cold or warm. No other commercial lure shows this universal response across every possible condition. And now, number 1. The recipe that beat every commercial option on this list. Fermented chicken liver paste. A homemade mix from your kitchen. The chicken liver contains heme iron and natural amino acids at concentrations that commercial fish attractants literally cannot legally replicate in a bottled shelf product. Fish detect heme iron at concentrations of 1 part per billion in water. Largemouth, catfish, bluegill, carp, walleye. All respond the same way. Immediate attraction, immediate feeding response. 3 tablespoons of fresh chicken liver. 2 cloves of crushed garlic. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Under $3 at any grocery store. A single batch treats baits for a full season. Mix into a uniform paste. Seal the jar loosely to let fermentation gas escape. Let it sit at room temperature for 72 hours. The fermentation releases the amino acids fish detect instantly. 1 single drop on a jig. 1 dab on a soft plastic. The scent trail disperses for over 30 feet through the water column. You need almost nothing per bait. More is not better. In paired notebook tests, the liver paste outfished every commercial lure on this list across multiple seasons. Total cost under $3. Lasts 2 weeks refrigerated. Old-timers along the Mississippi used fermented liver for generations. In Louisiana, backwaters. In Texas, catfish country. In Tennessee, bass lakes. The knowledge spread through families. The tackle industry cannot patent a chicken liver recipe, cannot sell fermentation in a sealed bottle. So they buried the knowledge. Replaced it with synthetic attractants that cost $30 and do almost nothing. The complete recipe plus 9 other forbidden formulas are inside the Forbidden Baits add-on for the Angler's Vault. Click the first link in the description. Scan the QR code in the top left corner right now. The knowledge the industry tried to bury. The recipe old-timers protected for generations. Now in your hands. Make it this week. Test it on your water next weekend. 8 lures ranked by science and tournament data. 7 commercial legends. 1 forbidden homemade recipe that beat every single one of them. This has been Real Science. See you on the water.